Home Office urged to scrap long, expensive and racist visa routes. Most applicants who feel forced to use 10-year immigration routes are people of color, data analysis shows. So this is a new analysis of those that actually go through the 10 years route. You know, if the 10 years route is a longer route to get your indefinite leave to remain, and the 5 years route as well is for those who actually came as skilled workers and they carry on to renew their visas, or maybe they got a COS for 5 years. So this is a new update, just as you can see. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fajira. If you're seeing this beautiful face for the very first time, I'm so happy to have you all in our beautiful family. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate, I create content on UK immigration updates, relocation to the UK, live in the UK, like everything you can think about the UK. So if you're someone who is interested, or you know anyone who may be interested, please do like and share this video with them, and also subscribe and join our beautiful family. So guys, without wasting so much of your time, let's quickly dive right into today's video. As earlier mentioned, the 10 years route is a longer route to settlement. Like if you came as a student and you were unable to get a job as a student, maybe you carry on to have your post-study work, carry on to do your PhD, you just continue like that till 10 years, you'll be able to get your indefinite leave to remain, and other routes as well. A charity organization has come up now to ask Home Office to stop the 10 years route, that they are actually using this to bill migrants, especially migrants from the black background, Indians and so on. There are 218,110 people on the 10-year route. A lack of income or professional qualifications makes them ineligible for other immigration schemes. A long and expensive visa route for immigrants has been called racist. After analysis showed most applicants will feel forced to go through it are people of color. The 10-year route visa is used by hundreds of thousands of people who are not eligible for other immigration schemes because of lack of income or professional qualifications. Many work in low-paid jobs, such as cleaning or care work, but trust me, care work is not really that low, especially when you're doing more hours or you're working as a senior carer. So other common routes to settle in the UK take 5 years, which we all know. If you come as a skilled worker to the UK, it will take 5 years. And also on the innovator founder visa or global talent visa, that is 3 years, but the 10 years route is the longest route. Now, one of the things I want you guys to take out from this, let's say maybe your visa has come to an end and you have a visiting visa for a short period before you get your next UK visa, it still counts towards your 10 years, provided there has not been any gap. According to the Freedom of Information data obtained by the charity Rafael, which is a charity that is actually talking about this, there are 218,110 people on the 10-year route. Guardian analysis of Home Office data showed that all but one country in the top 10 nationalities who felt forced to use this route were those with predominantly minority ethnic populations. The top 5 were Nigeria, Pakistan, India, Ghana, and Bangladesh. Overall, 86% using the route were from Asia or African countries, while 6% were from Europe. You can see on my screen the 10 years wait. You can see Africa 36%, South America, Europe 7%, North America 5%. The 5-year wait, Africa 19%, Europe 5%. This is just the breakdown of those that are actually using the 10 years and also the 5 years route. People seeking to gain a visa via the 10-year route must renew their leave to remain with the Home Office for every 30 months, meaning 4 renewals. The fee for each renewal is £3,850, which is why they're actually looking at this. And it comes to think of it, imagine that you have to keep renewing this visa. You're paying your bills, you're paying your rent, you're paying other things. You still have to make sure that you save £3,850 every 30 months. It can be difficult, to be honest, because even to save £1,000 in a month in the UK, you must be doing a very good job to be able to do that after you have paid all your bills. And maybe especially for those who are from the Africa background or community, you have to pay your black tax as well. At the end of the day, maybe you're walking home with a peanut. So from what the charity organization is doing, I just hope that Home Office listens and see what they can do about it. But the 10 years route, trust me, is the longest route so far, because even if you get married to a British citizen, you still have to go through 5 years route, which you have to renew your visa every 2.5 years. With the 10 years route, it can be challenging, it can be frustrating, and a lot of people end up becoming illegal because they're not able to meet up with their application fees and so on. So just as you can see, a 41-year-old woman from Ghana said she was struggling with the 10-year route. She has a British child who was born in 2017 and was granted leave on the 10-year route in 2018 after applying. She was several weeks late in applying to renew her leave in March this year and has become an overstayer, awaiting a new decision from the Home Office, which was what I just said. Now you can see how frustrating that could be, that she has been keeping up with it. And just last year, because she didn't have the funds to apply at the right time, now she has become an overstayer. So because of her late application, she has lost the years acquired and has to restart the 10-year route from day one, which is really sad. Now, a lot of people ask me about starting afresh. I'm going to share a video on that, on different categories of visa in my future video, because once you start afresh on some visa routes, you lost all the previous years you have stayed. Yeah, and you start counting again. So please like and share this video with your friends and loved ones if you find it helpful. Do subscribe and turn your notification bell, so when I upload more updates on this, you will be the first to be notified. So in her own case now, she will have to start counting her 10 years again. So she had previously stayed for 8 years or maybe 9 years, it's all gone. But I just hope she gets a lawyer that will be able to assist her through the process, a good immigration lawyer. This immigration route is brutal. It makes me feel like I'm in a prison. I want to go to university and qualify as a nurse, but I can't do that until my immigration status is sorted out. The government should at least change this route to 5 years, not 10 years, she said. So this is what they are wishing that the government do. And thanks be to the charity organization. I hope the government listens today and see how they can make this a bit flexible for people so they don't get so frustrated. So a GMIAU spokesperson said, these numbers confirm what people on the 10-year route already know. It is a racist policy. People are being driven into debt, forced to choose between paying thousands of pounds in visa fees to keep their legal status and keeping their families fed and warm. The 10 years is far too long for anyone to wait to settle. The route must be scrapped. A good place to start would be to cap all routes to settlement at 5 years, which is what they are proposing. And like I earlier mentioned, I pray that the Home Office listens to this and see what they can do about it. So Nick Bellis of Ramford said, the 10-year route is an enduring legacy of hostile environment, like many others conservative policies from this period. A Home Office spokesperson said, in cases where a family does not qualify for a 5 years route, but where refusal would breach obligations under the European Convention on Human Rights, the Home Office places them on 10 years route. Neither the race, ethnicity, or nationality of an applicant is a factor in the decision to place individuals on this route. We encourage all individuals to apply for any visa renewals prior to their leave to remain ending in the UK. So just as the Home Office spokesperson have said that they are not doing this to a particular ethnic group or people from those backgrounds mentioned. Like I would say, if they can bring this down to 5 years, like this charity organization is requesting, it's going to make life easier, it's going to make life better. I've known a lot of people that even they've stayed more than the 10 years route. Once you miss an application, you have to start afresh. So the waiting can be too much. There are certain things you can't do as well because you're on that route. I just hope that the government listens to this charity organization and also the Home Office as well. And fingers crossed that everything will change in no time. It may not be immediately, maybe sometime in the future, but I believe if this change takes place, it's going to relieve a lot of people, especially with that fee they have to pay every 30 months. How many people can save up to even 3,000-4,000 pounds in 30 months? Especially when they are not doing those high-paying jobs. I hope this particular request from this charity organization be granted by Home Office and the UK government. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do find this video helpful, please do like and share with your friends and loved ones. And also do subscribe, so each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to see that video. And until I see you in my next video, guys, do take care and have a lovely day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.